In this video, I'm going to show you how to post videos in RedNote app. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the bottom plus icon, and in here you're going to choose from album or use your camera to create a video instantly. I'm going to choose from my album. And as you can see, I have one video in here. And let's say I want to upload this. So this is my video. As you can see, I can edit this video by, for example, adding some text. So let's say I like this font. Then I can choose where I want it. So you can edit it. It is very similar to TikTok. So if you already know how TikTok worked in terms of uploading, then this will be really familiar to you. So let's say you are okay with this and maybe you want to add some music on top of it. Then you click on choose music. I'm not going to do that due to copywriting. So let's say we're finished with editing. Then we click on next. In here you can create a title and a description. And you can also choose your cover. So let's say I want this. Click on next again. It's completed. You can also add in hashtags. They're all in Chinese still, but there are also a lot that are not in Chinese, of course. So let's say we are finished with the description. Then we click on post. And then our video will be uploaded. And it is. So if this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.